Hello everyone, today we are going to talk on the topic legal professional ethics. It can be said that the legal profession is a profession of great honor, that it is made for the public welfare and for public good. This is not for making money but to provide justice to the right person. An advocate is an officer of the court and is required to maintain towards the court a respectful attitude bearing in mind the dignity of the judicial officer. The Supreme Court has rightly observed that the legal profession is a partner with the judiciary in the administration of justice. What are ethics? Ethics are principles and values which, together with the rules of conduct and law, regulate a profession such as the legal profession. They act as an important guide to ensure right and proper conduct in the daily practice of the law. What are the areas covered by ethical standards? The areas covered in ethical standards are independence, honesty, integrity. The lawyer and the client relationship, in particular, the duties owed by the lawyer to his client. A lawyer's duties to person that other than the client. A lawyer's duty to other lawyer. Advertisement of legal services. Human rights and access to justice. Why is professional ethics so important and why it is needed? The legal profession is necessarily the keystone of the arch of government. If it is a weakened and allowed to be subject of the corresponding and demoralizing influence of those who are controlled by craft, greed or gain or other unworthy motive, sooner or later the arch must fall. The future of the country depends on the maintenance of the shrine of the justice, pure and unrolled by the advocates. It cannot be so maintained unless the conduct and motives of the member of the legal profession are what they are object to be. What is the importance of professional ethics in legal profession? First, because lawyers and judges are integral to the working out of the law, and the rule of the law itself is founded on principles of justice, fairness and equity. If they do not adhere and promote these ethical principles, then the law will fall into disrepute and people will resort to alternative means of resolving conflict. The rule of law will fall with the rise of public discontent. Second, lawyers are professionals. This concept conveys the notion that issues of ethical responsibility and duty are an inherent part of the legal profession. It has been said that a profession's most valuable asset is its collective reputation and the confidence with which it arises. The legal profession especially must have the confidence to the community. What are